What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on a Porsche. My client just dropped off his car yesterday, but I couldn't work on it yesterday because apparently there was a water disruption, so I couldn't wash the car. So the car is 9 years old with only 30,000 kilometers clocked on the odo. It looks pretty decent from afar, but there is super amount of scratches and swirls and holograms on the paint. Let me just show you guys what is the sun shot looking like. You can see swirls, hologram, chips, everything, and there is quite an amount of stains as well, like for example the fuel cap. You can see all the stains here. Yeah, so it's quite a heavy job, so it's gonna take a few days for me to restore and clean the car. So let's get started with it. I'm not sure how much I can restore the car, but I think we'll find out together. guys, so I finished the Porsche, spent about around 30 to 40 hours on just the paint restoration and an hour or two on the coating application, and then on the next morning, which is today, I just delivered the client's car back to him. I mean, I just passed the car back to him. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm just going to end the video here. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.